Equality and unity, in this pursuit of human care, we will share our lives to full humanity. We're eagles, the living eagles, lasting peace and love of nation. We're eagles, the two of people, give us all the nation. All brotherhood we work and serve, peace, equality, and unity. In this pursuit of human care, we will share our lives to keep our liberty.
Let us all be seated. And now let us call the
Thank you, Kuya Jofil, Kuya Chair. We would like now to call the roll. But first and foremost, good morning mga kuya, ate at bunso. Good afternoon po. Oh, good afternoon ba sa? Di pa ba sa tuyog?
Eagle fraternity. Let's continue to work hand in hand as one united region to achieve new heights. Let's work together because in unity we are unstoppable. Thank you, and I wish you all a successful assembly, a meaningful session, and a joyous Christmas celebration ahead. Mabuhay ang Agila. Mabuhay Caraga Region 6.
Hello din, seminar kami, nag-meeting kami, nag-meeting.
Sorry.
next item.